Every great build has a lot of detail behind it. On this particular vehicle, every component that is fitted is considered, it's thought about. It's painted in a colour to match and complement the part next to it. But every last part is crafted with a lot of passion and a lot of care. Brake lines, for example, they're usually quite a messy part of the vehicle, but we can make them tidy, we can make them straight and uniform and flow with the vehicle. They have to be functional, but it's how the brake line gets from one component to the next. That's the real art. We've modified the relay carrier and we'll be running the relays behind it. We want to hide as much of this as we can. Wiring's inherently untidy, so we're going to try and make it disappear where possible. We're integrating air conditioning into this vehicle as well. It wasn't originally designed for it, so that takes quite a lot of packaging of the components, modifying them to suit the earlier style engine and making it look like it was always supposed to be there. So on our engine management system, we've got rid of the distributor and we've replaced it with coil packs. And we've housed them in roughly the same location as where the Dizzy was. And that way, we keep the whole flow of the engine as smooth and as close as it was to the original. Moving to the underside of the vehicle, we've colour-coded the engine, we've colour-coded the gearbox, we've colour-coded the shock absorbers as well. And everything matches and flows. Our brake lines and our fuel lines run down the vehicle in perfect uniform shape. It's the detail we won't compromise on. Building a car to this standard isn't simple, and it's not always about the detail that you can see. It's about the detail you can't see. So keep following us and watch how we progress on this Volvo build.